Hello everyone, welcome to Pattaya. Now I'm gonna show you an incredible house renovation, but before I'm gonna show you how the house looked before and how the house looks now. Let's go inside.
The house starts with the living room. First of all, we have this very comfortable sofa, which has this great view to this TV and built-in furniture. The special part about this room is that we have this opening with the plants in the back and have a lot of daylight coming into the house. Behind me is the dining area and kitchen, and here on the right we have the pool-facing bathroom where you can jump from the bed into the swimming pool. The kitchen has a very fancy hood and a very clean design, and in the back we have a hidden laundry room.
So from the kitchen we have the stair going to the second floor, and we made a beautiful design under the stair. Over here we have the bar with a nice modern look. Right here we have the pool table, which for the first time I'm gonna try. Let's see how it is. Actually, it's very good.
Alright guys, I'm going to show you the outdoor area. We have a beautiful infinity swimming pool, a jacuzzi to the back, and a nice garden to the side. Check this out. I'm under the extended part which Timo is going to show you later. A nice lounge area where you can relax with your friends, have a nice barbecue, a cold water, and just chill out.
When we walk up this well-decorated staircase, we pass by the crystal chandelier and then we reach the second floor. In the back we have two smaller bedrooms. Here on your right the queen bedroom, and straight forward the master bedroom. Before I'm gonna show you this, we just have a quick look at the master bathroom, which has a very unique sink furniture, which is special made. And in the back we have a double shower. Now back to the bedroom. Starts with this very long wardrobe and the desk at the end. The TV wall here right behind me with some stone elements. And here the bed with velvet upholstered background. Now we're coming to the most exclusive part of the house. Before here was nothing. We decided to extend the whole house in order to have this balcony with this jacuzzi and lounge where the house owner can relax himself.
Coming out from the master bedroom, we have two bedrooms to that side. Now I'm going to show you the queen bedroom. Here we have the queen bedroom bathroom, which we have our own sink furniture design, a nice upholstering with nice furniture all around, a wide balcony which you can enjoy your evening.
Thank you guys for watching our videos, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe. And if you want to see other videos, leave us in the comment what you are interested. You are interested about our daily life, or you are interested about our new office, we can show you that as well. Please leave us in the comment, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Sawadee krap.